Okay, before we even start grooming, I really like the concept of painting, weight painting, where we want those particles of fur to grow. So this is what we're going to be doing in these couple of lectures. Now, selecting our model, this is the only thing we want right now. Press Shift H to isolate it. And it's in low poly version. This is a low poly. If I go over here and check wireframe, you can see the vertices like that. So to do some weight painting, let's start with this. Just gonna do this. Come over here, select our object, just hide the wireframe for now, and I'm gonna go to see this menu over here, or just go Control Tab, and there's weight paint over here. Now we need to create a vertex. What you call these things? Vertex groups. So we have one here. Before anything, let's create a new vertex group, and we will just say full body. So this will be the tiny hairs of around the entire body. So how this works, red, if I start painting, so red is what more hair will grow, like 100% of hair. If it's 100% red, all the fur will grow over there. As it fades out from red, orange, yellow, green to blue, they will fade as that. So blue, no hair will grow there. So we want to invert this guy. If so to do this, I can there's I believe, yeah, so I can come back. I believe there's an invert. Oh yeah, there is in the particle system. Yeah, cool. So here we can just draw where we don't want those fur to grow. So I'm just coming paint and make sure symmetry is turned on. Yep, it works. Just coming in like that. We don't want them to grow inside here. Don't mind the weird part, we're still gonna invert this in the particle system. Not too much, Adrian. Let's do that, and then blur tool to just blur it. To just give it a smooth transition, yeah, like that. So this we wouldn't ideally want them to grow inside of here. And then go to the draw again, in the eye socket. Also, it's a no. So I'm coming in like so. Just coming in and just blur that out. And then draw again. Inside the nose, obviously. Just coming in. And then sometimes on the outside. We won't want those body furs to come out. And then check the blur again, just give it a smooth that out. Like so, go back to draw. Yeah, this way their horns will be coming out. So you see me just killing that. And again, I'm still using a mouse for this. So coming in from the inside. And this is the other side where the horn will grow. I like how this is mirroring very perfectly, and obviously on the mouth area. Alright, nice idea. And probably on the pose, so I'm just gonna create a small one. Like that. Come to the back side. Let's decrease the brush size, press F. And come on this side again. And I'm gonna grab the blur brush. Just gonna blur the outer edges. And then I'm just gonna smooth it. Like that. Like so. So this is the area we don't want it to grow. So let me just double tap and rename this. Say fur, press enter. This is a body fur. And just emphasize that and say body fur, press enter. Say C, body fur, which is fine. And let's divide this, move it to the top. Select this vertex group and say legs fur. Enter. This, so we're gonna be having like long fur over here from the legs, from the limbs. So I'm just gonna draw that, paint that, I mean, just emphasizing that. With a draw brush. Okay, till the side. As we see, somewhere around these lines. And also on the hind limbs. I like it when you have symmetry because you don't need to go through a lot of trouble trying to do the other side as the same as this side. So before you pose in, it's better to just get those basic fur going on your mesh. Just gonna push it up. I like this color. Like that. So we have our leg legs, fur. I'm going to create a new vertex group again, and we'll call this one tail. And let's go to our tail. So basically we're just painting the tail. Like that. Obviously we went a bit overboard. ZBrush size, draw, and increase the weight to remove. Just making sure that we only see painting on the tail, so we don't want no hair or fur growing over there. In this case, I'm going to grab the blur, just blur everything out. Looking about right. Just remove these guys. Then increase the weight again, just in case we forget. And then next we have top neck. Let's just say fur because there's tons of vertex groups. And then top neck first, so we're gonna have long fur growing on top of the neck. Just painting that now from around the ear upwards. And do that. Just painting that a bit. Around the horns again. And obviously the top of the head, it'll come from the side. Something like this. And again, these wet paints can always be adjusted, so you don't need to stress if the fur is not growing where you want it to grow or supposed to grow. We can always come back and just finesse everything here. And then I'm gonna blur this guy just for the fun of it. Yeah, it's a bit jaggy, so yeah. Top neck fur done. Create the last vertex group, which is, I think it's the last one, I'm not sure. No, it's not. Okay, just double tap to rename this guy. Bottom neck fur. And then we're just gonna come in over here, the bottom side, and grab the draw first. Like so. we might. But over here, we're gonna just decrease the weight, probably 0.5. Starts down. Remove it there. And over here, it just won't grow perfectly. Just blur everything. And again, we can come back and adjust this, so don't worry, we're not entirely fixed to this weight painting. This is just the overall. I'm just going to draw, remove these from the inside here. Grab the blur again. And yeah, so that's that. So we have the body of the fur, the legs, the tail, top neck and bottom neck fur. Having those, we kind of sorted. And again, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.